don't say mosque, M-O-S-Q-U-E, always say masjid, because Islamic organization has found that mosque means mosquitoes. To say that mosque means mosquito is baseless. There are many people who try and say that mosque is derived from the Spanish word mosca, which means mosquito. Tell you frankly, mosquito is a Spanish word. It's not an English word. The English have taken from the Spanish word mosquito, which is derived from mosca, which means a fly. Mosquito means a small fly. And there is no connection between mosquito and mosque. Mosque is an English word. In Spanish, the word is mezquita for mosque. The translation for masjid in Spanish is mezquita. And in French, it is mosque. So the English word mosque has been taken from the French word mosque, which means masjid, and has become mosque. So to say that mosque means mosquito, it's totally baseless. It has got no etymology. It's totally baseless. So in English, if you use the word mosque for masjid, there is no problem at all. And this is the English translation of the Arabic word masjid, and it does not mean mosquito.